everyone, welcome back to another Roblox tutorial. In today's video, I'll walk you through several methods to fix Roblox Error Code 268, the one that says you've been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. This error can be super frustrating, but don't worry, I've got a full list of steps you can try to get back into your game quickly. Let's start with something simple. Restart your computer. A fresh reboot can often fix temporary glitches with Roblox or Windows services that may be interfering with the game. Once you've restarted, try launching Roblox again to see if the error is gone. Still getting the error? No worries. Click your Start menu and type Roblox. Right-click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. Now, right-click on Roblox Player Launcher.exe and go to Properties. Click the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and choose Windows 7. Also check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save your settings. Let's run a quick compatibility troubleshooter. Right-click Roblox Player Launcher.exe again and select Troubleshoot Compatibility. Click Try Recommended Settings, then test the program. If Roblox opens successfully, great, you're good to go. If not, don't worry. Let's move on to the next fix. Sometimes, your Roblox installation might be corrupted. Here's how to reinstall it properly. Right-click the Start menu and click Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Roblox. Click Roblox Player and select Uninstall. Now, go to roblox.com, log into your account, click on any game, and hit Play. Roblox will prompt you to download and install the launcher again. Open the downloaded file, let it install, and then click Play again. Still not working? There are a couple more things to check. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Roblox may block you if it detects packet loss or lag spikes. Also, check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes, third-party antivirus software blocks Roblox as a false positive. You can try temporarily disabling your antivirus or adding Roblox to your firewall's allowed list. And that's it. One of these methods should help you fix Roblox Error Code 268 and get you back into the game. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials and fixes. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.